In Odoo 14 Bootcamp series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this video tutorial, we will check about general settings and translation. So currently I'm in general settings, and here we have a users related, which we discuss already here, and also companies, which we discuss here. You can also update info from here, or manage company. If you click here in manage company, you will redirect to here in company and user menu. Under companies, we already created a test company in previous video tutorial. Okay, in general setting, next step is languages. This language, after we will discuss here in our translation after complete this part. His business documents are important. You can choose or change from here your document layout. Let's say click to config document layout, and here it's a text invoice. By default it's showing like this, INV, like invoice, then year, then 07/003, and here the layout like box. If you click, it will look like box, the layout clean, and background layout. By default it's a light layout. Next step, company logo. This logo, because we don't choose a logo in our company, which we discuss under our user and companies, if we choose a logo there, automatically it will appear here. Even if we can make a logo here, then it will show our invoices and vouchers which we print at the top. Next step is color. We can use a colors, separate colors. So font, family, company tagline, it will appear here at the top in front of logo. Let's say I type here, this is tagline. Now here you can see this is a tagline. Okay, the footer, this information which we created before when we create our company and user, that time we put, and it's appear here. After that, this information it will appear in this footer info. Let's say I type, now you can see here this is footer info, it will appear like that. So you can change this document layout as per your requirement. I'm leaving it default. Next is contacts. Contacts we will discuss in our contacts here, and discussion we'll see here in discuss. External mail server means if you want to configure any external email server to send bulk emails. Permissions, we already discussed this permission and user access right in very detail under our users and user group. Customer account. Customer account here is two options. One is free sign up, one is on invitation. On invitation means you have to invite some a user, then we have a right to access or create this account. If you are on cloud, or if you host your Odoo community version any on your site server or any server. And here is default access right, which already we discussed, and manage APIs. If you want to manage your API or create a mobile application or attach your system with mobile apps. Reset password import, it is enable or disable for users to import export the data. Enable reset password. Here is in-app purchases, some services, and unit of measurement. This one we will discuss in our inventory and sales purchase about unit of measurement. So volume of unit of measurement. Multi-company we'll discuss, but already we see how to make a company. Multi-company we'll see later. And here's an integration like with your Google Drive, Unsplash image library, Outlook, calendar, and here's a geolocation of our partners. Partner means our vendor, our customers. So captcha, no need for a captcha in this option, is development modes for development. Next, translation in languages. If I go to languages, here already we have all languages which are providing by default. It's a total 85, and you can search here. Let's say I'm searching German. Okay, here, let's say this one. I'm going to active, then add. This language is going to add in our system. Okay, not switch because it's difficult to find me for option because I don't know the German language. Let's just close. And also after that update, it's better, but currently I'm not going to for update. You just have to press this update button, this one. Okay, how to change or set a language for a specific user. Just go to my profile. This is where we are discussing how to add language for user. Edit, and here under preference table we have a language option. If I click here, German is also here. So now I'm going to save. It's reloading. Now the German language is activated, as you can see here. It's a German language. Also in menu, each and everywhere. If I click here, the German language is implemented. Now let's again retrieve it back to English language, English US. I'm going to save. Now it's saved. It's going to reload. If you save this language for a specific user, next time when a user will be login, by default this language will come. So before to change or save a language, be careful. If you don't understand this language, may it cause a problem for you to retrieve it back. Import, export, translations is if you want to import language or a specific words. Here is a translation terms. Translation terms. Let's open and see what is translation term. Internal source, translation value, translation field. Okay, language, type and status. This one, translation means terms mean you have to type here any a source or field. Here you have to type a field here. For example, they use here res user.py file, models.py, and they type here a specific language or specific words for this field. So you can type from here. Mostly no need this translation terms missing. Yeah, this one is important. Let's make it a start. This missing terms mean if you don't have, and this terms is coming by default. When you update, automatically it will update. Missing terms, when I update this language automatically, all the terms means all the new words, it will be updated and come here. Same thing which we did from here, update from here. So in this video tutorial we discussed uh, journal setting and translations. In settings almost we finish each and everything except our technical. Technical for developers we will discuss, as I told later. uh, we'll discuss about technical. So next video tutorial we'll discuss about this module of discuss calendar, contacts, and so on.